Hi, my name's Jeremy Broun. I'm here to share with you over half a century's woodworking experience. In this Just a Minute series, let's get straight to today's topic. I'm going to talk for 1 minute about my best routing tips. So let's get the timer started. Okay, now my top tips are not in any priority, but what comes to mind. Buy a router that has controls only a finger stretch away. Fumbling for the switch and lock lever can result in mistakes. Hesitation leads to mistakes. Hold it correctly at arm's length, pushing and pulling. Go cordless. Use the best cutters. Always wear earmuffs and a mask. Don't be afraid of using the router freehand. It's the best way to gain confidence. Try to make light cuts, repeat passes, step passes. The router isn't a finishing tool, remember that. Now my best tip is free up your imagination and the router will be the most versatile tool in the workshop. You can do a lot with a small router. Small is beautiful. What did I say? Small is beautiful. Yes, and finally, a small router just takes longer. Okay, so if it's routing that you're interested in, please visit my online store for books, video downloads, DVDs. I hope you tune into this series, which, as I say, I started a few years ago, but I just didn't have time to keep up. I'd like to do it once a week now, but a lot depends on your feedback. So please, in the comments below, make any suggestions you have for topics that interest you. Thanks for watching.